को सिखाइए कि स्कूल से आने के बाद दिस इज द टाइम गिवन टू यू, इसमें आपने खाना खत्म करना है। आप लंच के साथ हाफ एन आवर टीवी देख सकते हैं, डिनर टाइम में हाफ एन आवर टीवी देख सकते हैं। डोंट लेट योर चाइल्ड वॉच टीवी थ्रू आउट द डे। काफ़ी पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन करते हैं कि पूरा टाइम कार्टून देख रहा है, अगर हम कार्टून नहीं चलाते बच्चा कहना नहीं मानता, बात नहीं मानता। डोंट लेट योर चाइल्ड कंट्रोल यू। यू आर द पेरेंट, यू नीड टू हैव अ अपर हैंड ऑन योर चाइल्ड। आप बच्चे को सिखाएंगे कि क्या रूटीन है, बच्चा आपको आपके रूटीन के हिसाब से ही चलाएगा। Please teach them that there are certain rules in the family and we have to follow them. बच्चे को सिखाइए टीवी देखने के सिर्फ 2 टाइम है। For example, every family has a different routine. So please make a routine according to your own lifestyle. बच्चे के लिए खेलने का टाइम बहुत ज़रूरी होना चाहिए। We not only encourage parents to focus on academics. Everything is important for the holistic development of your child. The child should have time for playing also, the child should watch TV also, the child should be indulged in the household responsibilities. Please make your children independent. It is very important that we start giving them some responsibilities. We always believe कि अभी बच्चे छोटे हैं, अभी इनको ये काम नहीं करने देना चाहिए। हम खुद खिला देते हैं बच्चों को, काफ़ी बार खाना भी खुद खिला देते हैं because we want to get rid of the responsibilities. हमें लगता है कि हम बस फटाफट अपना काम खत्म कर ले so that we can be free. But by doing this, we are making our children dependent on us. We are not making them independent. When your child has already started coming to the school, they have taken their first step. Now you have to make them independent. Do not think कि बच्चा बहुत छोटा है, जब बच्चा स्कूल में भी आ रहा है बच्चा हर चीज़ अपने आप मैनेज कर रहा है। Although we have all the help available in the school, we have all the maids, we have teachers, we have all the help. But still, our agenda is to make children independent so that they can be on their own anywhere. Because as parents, as teachers, we cannot be with children all the time. You all know that you have some other responsibilities also, and sometimes you have to leave your children at home. So they should be knowing how they have to look after themselves when the parents are not around, when the teachers are not around. Now next is, since your child spends good 6 to 7 hours in the school, it is very important that they feel comfortable about coming to the school. They need to feel positive about the school. And this is only possible when we are going to show them a positive image of the school. Never talk anything negative about the school in front of your children, because this creates a negative image in them, and then they are not able to respect their school, their teachers, or the students over there. If you have any concerns regarding the school, regarding the teachers, please come and talk to us, but never discuss such things in front of your children or with them. Never do that. And it is not only about the school, it is about other things as well. आपकी अगर अपनी कोई पर्सनल बात भी है, please do not discuss it with them or in front of them, because you never know what the child is learning out of it. Now next is, it is very important that you maintain a regular communication with the teachers about your child's performance. Although meeting teachers on an everyday basis is not possible, you can communicate through the school diary. School diary is an important part of the school. You will get to know a lot of things about what is going in the class through the school diary only. So if you have any concern, you can make a note in the school diary. Your child can show the note to the teacher, and the teacher can definitely revert it over there. So please make the best use of the school diary. Maintain a regular communication. Talk to your children about what is happening in the school, because when we are going to talk to them, this will build their interest even more. Now these are the tips which I wanted to mention here. I'm sure you all are doing your job very well, and we in fact have to work as a team so that we can help our children blossom and spread their fragrance everywhere. Now before I end, I just wanted to inform you all that I am available in the school on all working days. I have different days for junior school and different days for senior wing. I am available in junior school on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 10:30 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If you have any concern regarding your child's academic, behavioral, emotional issues, you are most welcome to come and discuss things with us. You can take an appointment in prior, or you can visit the school on any Wednesday, Thursday, and you can come here also. I sit in the medical room. Thank you.